Most universal ESA states pay their vendors through one platform, ClassWallet. Arizona, Utah, North Carolina, and more. Understand how it moves money, and you understand how to get paid in half a school choice map. Miss its quirks, and whole orders bounce. Here's the full flow: registration to bank account. Start with the order of operations. ClassWallet pays, but your state approves. You register with the state ESA program before ClassWallet will ever send you a cent. Once the state approves you, create your ClassWallet vendor account and connect your business bank. Then confirm your tax information so payouts aren't held. Select one expense category per order. That's the rule that catches people. Families pay you through Pay Vendor, they upload your itemized invoice, and pick the category. Just one. If a single line item is unallowable, or categories are mixed on the same order, ClassWallet rejects the entire order. Keep every invoice to one clean category. 2 more rules. ClassWallet deducts a service fee of roughly 2.5% from each payout, so price accordingly. And for reimbursements, some states demand both the itemized invoice and a proof of payment receipt. An invoice alone gets denied. Clean category, complete fields, correct documents. That's the whole game. Funds land by direct deposit, usually within a week or 2 of clearing review. The free generator at GetESAPaid.com builds ClassWallet-ready invoices for your state, and the checker catches category mixing before you submit. Links below.